What's up everyone, Crypto Underground is back with an update video on Zcash that is having right now a massive pump, guys. Over 1000% price increase in the last couple of days. I'm gonna tell you the bearish scenario and also how high we can go, and of course also we're gonna have a look into deep snitch again, guys, because this one here is coming very soon to an end of its second stage. We're entering right now into the third stage in the next coming days, and then of course the price will increase during the pre-sale phase, and as you can see they raised now over $500,000. This is a completely new crypto AI project that is upcoming. We can invest of course into the token right now, even before the launch. We're gonna have an update on this, guys. That's why make sure to be subscribed on this channel. We have a great crypto community here that is growing every day, so thank you very much for your great support, guys. And of course in the video description you're gonna find all links to Deep Snitch AI, and of course also to other new upcoming cryptos that I'm buying up right now, and also exchanges that I'm using like Casey Exchange, where you can trade without paying any fees. Also withdrawal fees are completely erased here if you use my link, and also Bybit and so on. So sign up to those exchanges, especially if you want to trade also some privacy coins like Zcash that we are covering in this video. You can get those coins of course on different exchanges that you find here in the video description. So sign up here, guys, be subscribed here, be active, leave a like, make sure to leave a comment, and also subscribe to my other social media platforms on X, Telegram and so on. And also keep in mind that everything that we're gonna cover in this video is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, especially whenever you're trading here in the crypto world. You can see how volatile those coins can be, and that's why it's always high risk to trade into cryptos that of course have pumped already thousands of percentages, like this one over here, Zcash, that we cover in this video. So always do your own research. I'm just sharing my own opinions, price analysis and market observations, and of course sharing also all new cryptos that I think are very hyped and good to buy right now for the future, of course, like Deep Snitch AI, before they're going live on exchanges. So all relevant links are here in the video description. As always, guys, I'm gonna put it right at the top. And now we're gonna start with Zcash, because everyone is currently watching out for this coin that even yesterday, in just one day, guys, this is the daily time frame for Zcash, and you can see that since days this one is pumping like crazy, and just yesterday it pumped another, what was it, like 45% almost in just one day. Of course today again those gains got erased immediately, but of course since we are pushing like crazy to the upside, this one is very volatile right now. And I'm gonna tell you right now a good entry point, because I believe that right now Zcash is in a potential corrective phase, or at least it's going to enter into a corrective phase, because of course all indicators here on the daily time frame that I'm using are in toppy area, like we also have gotten during the whole pump here. But you can see that every time that we got sell signals in overbought condition, and also in my confirmation indicator, basically those bearish crosses, afterwards we always retrace down to the median line of the Keltner channels on the daily time frame, which is also matching with the daily with the 20 daily moving average. And this one is currently right here at around $400. So I believe that if you wanted to buy Zcash, at least wait here to cool off here to retest the $400 level, because also here we are looking a bit toppy, and we are getting again everywhere the same sell signals right now. So even though I am bullish for some altcoins for the next coming weeks and months, and of course also for Bitcoin itself, since on the CME chart we close now above the 50 weekly moving average, so in theory we should be seeing more upside in Q4 of 2025 and probably also into 2026. Currently Zcash here, it looks like that it's gonna have a correction down to $400, and afterwards most likely continue here this run up, because currently there is nothing that is stopping Zcash to push higher. Because if we go over into the weekly time frame, you can see that also here we have of course on the weekly time frame extreme overbought condition, but this also can stay for quite some time until here we're gonna bottom out and get some sell signals, because money flow is increasing, everything is pushing higher and higher. Also here in my confirmation indicator, yes, we are in the red zone, but still no cross in front of us. And until we're gonna basically not see here a sell signal, that means that we can rally higher. And therefore of course I like to pull out here the Fibonacci extension levels based from the current high and the current low that we had in the last couple of weeks and months. And you can see that the next fib line is here at $900, the 1.272, that is an important one, and then of course the 1618. And the first one at $900, I'm pretty confident that we could reach that $900, and this one here could be of course the most bullish one if really we're gonna see a big altcoin season incoming in Q4 of 2025 or next year, and this would take, of course, Zcash towards $2,700. And if you would be buying here, if we get this correction down to $400 and then we bounce back up, then of course would be a great entry point. So those are my targets for Zcash, guys. I'm bullish for Zcash, especially as long as we don't get any sell signals on the higher time frames like the weekly, and the altcoin season would somehow start immediately, because we have seen yesterday a lot of those altcoins doing sometimes even 2-digit gains like Zcash or Ordinals, and that's why I'm bullish here for Zcash as well. But I think in the next coming hours and days it is possible that we could come down to $400. So watch out for that level, guys. Of course, this would be denied if suddenly we see daily closes below $400, so below the median line of the Keltner channels. Then we would start a bigger correction, maybe down to the 50 daily at $240, or even all the way down here at the 200 daily moving average at $91. So you see that, of course, this move could be quite devastating here for Zcash if that happens, but just be ready for both scenarios. And of course, the median line of the Keltner channels is the most important support right now at $400. And currently, of course, I'm trading some of those altcoins over on different exchanges like KC Exchange, Bybit, Maxi Global, because also Maxi Global, you can get access to all new hyped upcoming cryptos as soon as they're launching. But of course, if you want to invest into them, you always have to buy the coins before they're launching, before they're getting started to be traded basically on exchanges. And one of them is DeepSnitch AI. If you want to get it, guys, this is a completely new crypto AI token that is upcoming. Use the link here in the video description to end up on the official website, because you can only get it on the official website here before it is launching. They already are mentioned and partnered up with CoinMarketCap, Crypto News, Cryptonomist, and so on, different crypto websites. You can read different news and articles about this new crypto that is upcoming and the project. All details are here in the website. For us, important is, of course, to buy in as early as possible and also stake as early as possible those coins to accumulate more and be ready for the launch. So if you want to get some, connect to the wallet. You can see that many wallets are supported, more than 500 wallets. I usually like to use MetaMask, and I use also my Ethereum most of the times, since I'm very disappointed with the performance of Ethereum in this bull run, and that's why I'm most of the times spending my Ethereum to buy into those new coins. Stable coins I use to trade on exchanges, Bitcoin and altcoins. That's why here I like to use my Ethereum. So just select then the coin that you would like to invest. Here you put the amount, and then those are the coins that you're going to receive. You can buy them here, then just confirm that transaction, and then you're going to see the coins here in the staking hub. If you go here to the staking hub, you can see the coins that you have bought until now, and you can also put some of them or all of them, of course, also here into the staking mechanism with 81% API. That means that you can accumulate more coins daily, 0.22% daily coins that you can accumulate here until launch. And since we are entering right now in the next coming days into the third stage, so once this stage is over, we enter into the third stage from 15, we have, of course, enough time to buy and stake those coins until launch. And then once this one is coming out, then of course we can take here gains or use the AI models here with those tokens and so on. Of course, I keep you updated on this project in the next coming weeks and months as well. That's why make sure to be subscribed here on DeepSnitch AI as well. Join their X account, their Telegram account, and so on. Make sure to be part of this crypto family by just subscribing here to my channel. Of course, I keep you updated about those new crypto projects as well, such as this new AI crypto project, because I think that AI and cryptos are here to stay, of course, and that's why, of course, we are trading here most of the times AI stocks or new cryptos and existing altcoins, and of course the King Bitcoin and so on. So make sure to be part of our crypto family. We are growing every day. Thank you very much for your great support, guys, and of course let me know what do you think about Zcash. Will it crash down or will it go to 1k, 2k, and so on? Let me know that, and of course also don't miss out on DeepSnitch AI and also new upcoming cryptos, guys, because I think that those low market cap coins, they just have the better risk to reward ratio, since anyway investing in the altcoins is high risk. But whenever you're buying into new upcoming cryptos, then of course you have this huge upside potential. At least you are exposed to this huge upside potential. But everything is, of course, no promise, guys, no financial advice. I'm just sharing my own opinions and reasons why I'm investing currently into such new cryptos, because I think that they just have a better risk to reward ratio. Alright, guys, that's it for now. Stay tuned, be subscribed, thank you for watching, and I keep you updated, of course. So stay tuned and see you all in the next one. Crypto Underground over for now.